like to try a little sunflower seed. What do you think about sunflower seed? Gosh. Yeah? I think he spat out, he spat out the shell, but ate the seed. I brought some seeds for birds, but there are no birds in here tonight. So we're gonna see if Ziggy might be interested. Let's see what you think about sunflower seeds. This is a sunflower seed. Chew it really, really well. But these are sunflower seeds. Are you having an adventure? Sunflower seeds for Ziggy. Chew them really, really well. Oh, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds for Ziggy.